This is a very old mainboard from AsRock. It's LGA775 with a dual core Intel processor. I've been using it as an HTPC, but lately it's been restarting randomly. I think randomly, but there may be a logical reason why. So I run out of ideas. I'm going to reapply the thermal paste under the heat sinks. Maybe it's overheating or something. I don't know. It's worth a try before I throw it out in the trash. So let's see. With this one, with some pliers. Come on, go out. Come on. It doesn't want to come out. Why? Okay, it's coming. It's coming. Let's start the other one. Easy. Okay. It's coming out. So let's see what's under here. Whoop. It doesn't want to come out. What? Why? I want you to come out. Oh. It's stuck. Now it's coming. Okay. Nothing fishy about that. It's got thermal paste. It's really hard, but let's see. No problems there, I think. But let's reapply some paste. Oh. No, it's not broken. I thought it was. Let's clean it. Oh, it's stuck in there. Really hard. How can I clean this? With a piece of wood? No. Let's try some alcohol. It doesn't seem to be working. Okay, let's keep that one and remove the other heatsink, and then I'll see what I can do. Let's remove that. Same procedure. Push it out. Yes. Squeeze and push. Okay. It's out. And voila. A big chip and A small heatsink. Interesting. But this is only for the I/O ports, the SATA and USB and whatever. So this doesn't heat up very much. While the other one, the other chip, is the real chipset addressing the slots, and it also has integrated graphics. Some really old GMA integrated graphics. 3100, I think, which can output up to full HD resolution. Oh yes, so this shouldn't be a problem. Oh, this thermal paste is still wet. This is good. Too bad it doesn't matter. This chip doesn't matter as much. Interesting. This other one, I'll have to clean it, and I'll maybe make another video how I reinstall the heatsinks. Other problems on the board? I can't see any. No corrosion anywhere, no damages. I don't know why it restarts. I tried putting the memory in another slot. The same thing happens. I don't know what to think. The jumpers are set right for the memory. Here's the schematic. They should all be in the first position, and here are the jumpers. All in the shorting the 1 and 2 pins. Correct. So that's it for now.